Welcome to the Your All News. India's central bank payout known to grow for government finance. Precision pathology, bioaffinity start validation for lung cancer test. Surge in Spain's COVID-19 cases prompt regional smoking ban. COVID-19 in India. Record 8.3 lakh samples tested in a day. Government to launch Fit India Freedom Run today. Amitabh Bachchan steps out for the first time after COVID-19 restoration. Shares photo as he plants a Gulmohar tree in a mother's memory. Navy inch deal for setting up Center for Excellence in UP Defense Corridor. RBI slaps RAS 10 lakh penalty on 4 cooperative banks for issues in regulatory compliances. Gold prices steady at Rs 52,701 per 10 grams. Silver rises to Rs 67,439 per kg. Ingenuity Mars helicopter recharged its batteries in a flight. 298 baggage pieces retrieved so far from Kozhikode plane crash site. Indian-American reporter asked Trump to his face, "Do you regret your lies and dishonesty?" Maruti to quit Gurgaon plant. Sonipat, Manipal among other options for a new facility. Retail inflation inches up to 6.93% in July on the back of higher food prices. Researchers discover new phase of nano-confined water. Facebook gets bad grades on report card from civil rights groups behind advertising boycott. DC baby randomly selected by drug company to receive life-changing $3 million treatment. For Americans waiting for coronavirus help, no new relief in sight. US seized digital currency accounts used by militant teams. Biotechnology to sign licensing agreement with MD Matrix. Cyber agency government spy over Aarogya info theft risk. Final exam crucial steps in student professions. States can't cancel them by UGC. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Editions, aka Galaxy S20 Lite, allegedly spotted on Geekbench with Exynos 990 SoC. Center, no Mumbai police FIR in Rajput case, statement invalid. Pranab Mukherjee responding to therapy, vital parameters steady. Bengaluru violence, 19 leaders named in 2 FIRs, ban PFI, SDPI, says Karnataka. India to build a largest infra undertaking worth of $500 million in Maldives. COVID-19, IT Roper developed remote-controlled room disinfection devices. TB vaccine shows encouraging results against coronavirus in phase 3 clinical trials. Chinese nationals among four held for Rs 1,100 crore online gambling racket. Faceless assessment scheme now extended to all taxpayers. 2 months after calming infections with lockdown, Spain faces new COVID-19 surge. Researchers discover new tools to construct novel metal-based magnetic materials. Cellron picks up discarded cancer drug from Roche. Hyderabad-based biological feed join hands with J&J for COVID-19 vaccine. Bharat Biotech (ICMR) developed Covaxin is secure, shows preliminary phase. Thank you for watching Your All News. Stay tuned with us.